and today we're gonna be making spring rolls. So, the way to say Happy New Year in Chinese is 新年快乐, which translates to New Year is now. So right here is the rice paper, which is gonna be the roll part. This is lettuce. Here we have some cilantro, carrots, and cucumbers. Here are the noodles, the most important part. And this is meat and egg here. And then we have some sauce to go with the spring rolls. We are going to be dipping the roll in some hot water to loosen it up. And then we're going to be putting it on some plates. Okay, so now we're gonna roll these. So what you want to do is you want to make sure that it's evenly proportioned. So you want to push it to one side, and then you want to take.
Good job covering, Tommy.
You want to take the edge of this, put it over, then tuck it in, and then just keep rolling it.
Practice rolling just for fun.
And then if you want to be fancy, then you can tuck in the corners and keep rolling.
I like my.
Yeah, you can roll it up. Let's roll this. Oh, you guys are so good.
So here's the sauce, and now we're gonna pass it out to everybody. If you don't want anything, just put
But it's plum sauce, by the way.
Dip it in the sauce.
Just dip the whole, yeah, like there you go. And then eat it.
So after you do all this hard work, here's where you get some yummy, scrumptious spring rolls.
Thanks, Mike.
Bye.